Hey guys, what up? Check this out. I felt guilty not to share this with you, so I decided to record this video. We have GBPUSD here. Let's start from weekly time frame. As we can see, we have this megaphone shape channel here. We have this 1, 2, 3 legs down, as you can see. Let me show you. First one, second one, third one, and now we are forming. We are in the middle of fourth one. So when you look at it in higher time frame, when you look at it in weekly time frame, this GBPUSD, you see these two bars, but in daily time frame we have this leg down, and it seems it's gonna have a pullback here, because when you use this Fibonacci channel and this measured move down, if you consider this one, as a first leg, it's a strong breakout. You know, when you generally in price action, we have this concept that when you have a strong breakout, when you have a strong leg, we can expect to see the second leg after pullback. You know, first it forms a pullback, and after pullback you see the second leg down here. And that's interesting. If you look at it in the big picture, you have this bear channel, and it's still legit, and it still has the strength to go down. So why not? Let's check this out in lower time frames. In 4 hour time frame, yeah, this first leg down, itself contains two legs. You know, you can divide it into two legs, first one, second one, and this pullback, and each of these legs, they have smaller legs inside themselves. So really interesting. And now here we have kind of a double bottom or something. You know, this one is look like a double bottom. That's interesting. We have these two legs down and this double bottom here. Let's check this out into 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this double bottom, and it's interesting. I entered the position. I got this position. It was 10 or 20, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 20 pips profit, because I saw this double bottom, and I entered the position when it was incomplete, becoming complete, getting complete, whatever. And you know that if this double bottom breaks up and break this level up, we can expect to see a higher price, and we can expect this give us target and profit as much as the high of this shit. If you measure this, the high of this pattern, and just copy paste it, you get this target. So you can have a order here or whatever. That's interesting. We are in a 1 hour time frame. Let's get back to higher time frame, where we had this first leg down, and we were discussing about the second leg, and before that a pullback. So we can kind of realize that this pullback could be at this level, and after that second leg can form. You follow me here? I hope you didn't lose me. I'm gonna say it again. Let me erase all of this shit, remove it, and draw it again. So we had this channel here. Have this channel. And this first leg down, you can start this as a first leg. So what about second leg? Do we have a second leg? If you look at it here, we're in a we have this bear channel, for God's sakes, and we had this legs down, and everything is and the context is good for a bear trend and short position. And you might ask, okay, if I take this short position, where should I put my goddamn take profit? In order to figure it out, I use this FIBO channel. Actually, the concept is, when you have a strong breakout, when you have a strong leg, and after that a pullback, the second leg would be as large as the first one. They're equal. First leg is equal second leg. That's it. That's the concept. So I use this FIBO channel, whatever I'm comfortable with it. You can you have to use some tool to copy paste the size of this candle, so you can determine the second leg down. That's it. It's not hard. You can also measure it with hand, without any tool. Yeah, that's your second leg down, and that's the first one, and that would be the second one. That's it. It's not hard. So, and what about the entry point? We check this out in lower time frame, that we have this double bottom, and this double bottom as a target. If breakout happens above this channel, above this trading range, whatever, and that target would be here at this level. And if you get back to daily time frame, you see this box I copy paste, this double bottom, its target would be is at this candle at this price. So if you wanna set limit order. You can set your entry point at this level, your take profit at this level, and put your stop loss above this shit. It's an acceptable risk to reward, but it has a good probability. So here's the entry point, your stop loss above this signal bar or above this leg, first leg. Yeah, it's a good risk to reward. Okay, it's up to you. You can set an order and make how much is it? I can't believe it. Yeah, that's 300 pips profit. They're here. 350 pips profit. Holy shit. That would be good. And it takes about I'm not sure, maybe weeks. Yeah, maybe a couple of weeks, but it's a good position. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestion, just share it with me. Goodbye.